Hey, what is up guys, Cydia Help here, and in today's video I want to talk about iOS 10 jailbreak specific tweaks. Now we're not going to be talking about tweaks that have been updated to support iOS 10, but rather tweaks that are specifically targeted for iOS 10's jailbreak. We know that Apple customized the new widgets panel here, we have it on the lock screen, we have a brand new lock screen, and I'm running this jailbreak on 10.1.1, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at some of those new jailbreak tweaks specifically for this jailbreak. Now the first jailbreak tweak I want to share with you guys goes by the name of Legacy Slide to Unlock. Now this one's still in kind of its beta stages. It is by the CP Digital Darkroom Cydia repository, so you need to go into Sources, Edit, Add, and you'll find the source in the description. Click Add Source, and you'll be able to install this tweak on your device. And as the name implies, Legacy Slide to Unlock brings back the Slide to Unlock from iOS 9. If you take a look here at the bottom right of the screen, you see the camera grabber, and again this is running iOS 10 of course. This is on my iPhone 7, and you can see that the Slide to Unlock is still there as well. When you swipe over, you get your passcode screen. Now one of the things, and the reason I say still in beta, it is a work in progress, is that when you place your finger on Touch ID, it doesn't unlock your device. You have to enter your passcode manually. But again, it is a work in progress, and it is a Legacy Slide to Unlock, available again under the CP Digital Darkroom repository. It is absolutely free, and it's a very cool lock screen implementation for iOS 10, bringing back that iOS 9 look. Now the next tweak I want to share goes by the name of Platter. It is also available under the CP Digital Darkroom repository, and this one adds additional cards to your control center, again specific to iOS 10. So if I swipe up, you see a recent apps page. You see here you have your control center, you have your media player, and now you have Platter with the most recent applications. Now more pages will be added to Platter eventually once it unfolds and it develops to its full potential. You'll see things like favorite apps and things like that are going to be added. The developers working on it as of right now, but Platter is free, but it is a very cool one as well. Moving on to the next tweak, I want to share custom carrier specific to iOS 10. Now, in iOS 9, we have a ton of applications and tweaks that can customize your carrier logo, but this one was specifically tailored for iOS 10. So when you download it, you'll find the extension in settings where you can further customize it and add any custom text to the status bar right there to your carrier on the status bar. And again, this one's built for iOS 10, and here it is. It's a very simple user interface, the enable button, and then the custom text that you want to use. Again, check it out, available in Cydia. If you're jailbroken, you're going to really like this one. The next tweak goes by the name of CC Low Power, and I cannot stress enough how much I want Apple to do this. It's so simple. I don't know how they don't see the common sense on this one. On the control center, specifically targeted for iOS 10, it adds a toggle, and I know there's a bunch of tweaks in iOS 9 that adds toggles to the control center, but keep in mind that the new control center has been drastically modified by Apple, so a new low power toggle has been specifically built for this new control center. Just makes a lot of sense. I know you guys really going to enjoy this one. Absolutely free under the big boss, CC Low Power. The next tweak I want to share with you guys, the name says it all, no handwritten messages. Now in iOS 10, Apple added a new feature to the messages application that when you go into landscape, it automatically goes into this handwritten message thing here. I kind of don't like that, and this tweak will fix that. It will remove that feature from iOS 10. For those of you who find that annoying, no handwritten message is a free simple tweak available for iOS 10 devices, and you're going to enjoy it a lot. And last but not least, I want to share Creamless. Now you may remember a jailbreak tweak for iOS 9 called Cream that would give colors to your toggles here on your control center. It's a pretty cool tweak. A lot of people enjoyed it, but some people actually don't like the colors on their toggles here on control center for iOS 10. So specifically for iOS 10, Creamless. This one will take all the colors away from the control center toggles, and it'll enable you to have just the standard black and white toggle on and off. All the sources will be in the video description down below, including the wallpaper and the name of the theme. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's been iDevice Help, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.